This ox cart is located in the town of Sarchi in their central park. It is touted as the largest ox cart in the world.
Sarchí is located about an hour north of San Jose, Costa Rica.
We are walking the streets of Sarchi, looking for the original maker of the ox carts. And there they are, right on the corner. Let's go see if they're open. It's Sunday. They just had a big parade, so we'll see. We're gonna take a peek inside. This is pretty incredible. This place is so cool. They have hammocks and headrests, like soft leather headrests, purses, all the leather work, shoes, belts, beautiful stuff. And look at this woodwork, it is stunning. This is where they make the ox cart wheels and furniture. How it all starts. High wedges, guys. Old wagon wheels. Gorgeous stuff here. Here are the pie wedges that it starts out as before it goes into this. And then it turns into that. Then it gets painted and shellacked, turns into that.
This table in particular is constructed of 11 different types of wood.